Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into something important for those of you working with print, CMYK support in GIMP. GIMP, by default, doesn't handle CMYK natively. This can be a real pain when preparing images for professional printing. But don't worry. There's a solution. We can install a separate plugin that adds this functionality. Let's walk through installing the Separate Plus plugin to enable CMYK capabilities in GIMP. First, we need to download the plugin. Just search for Separate Plus GIMP plugin on the internet using any search engine. Make sure you download the correct version for your operating system. There are typically versions for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. After downloading, locate the plugin file. It's usually a zip or tar archive. Next, we need to extract the contents of the archive. You'll find several files inside. Now comes the crucial part, installing the plugin into the correct GIMP directory. This directory depends on your operating system and GIMP version. Typically, you'll find the GIMP plugin directory in your user profile under a hidden folder. Look for a .gimp2.x folder, where X is your GIMP version number. Inside that, you'll see a plugins folder. If the plugins folder doesn't exist, create one. Copy the extracted plugin files into this plugins folder. Once the files are copied, restart GIMP. This is important for GIMP to recognize the new plugin. After GIMP restarts, you should see new options related to CMYK in the image menu or potentially under the colors menu. Look for options like Separate or Separate Plus. If you see these, congratulations! You've successfully installed the plugin. Now, let's test it out. Open an RGB image in GIMP. Then, use the Separate Plus plugin to convert the image to CMYK. You'll see different color channels appear. This indicates that the conversion is working. Remember to save your work in a format that supports CMYK, such as TIFF. Experiment with the different settings in the Separate Plus plugin to achieve the best results for your specific print needs. CMYK color management can be complex. So don't hesitate to research and experiment to understand how it works best. Now you can prepare your images for print directly within GIMP. It saves you from having to use other programs just for CMYK conversion. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. Consider subscribing for more GIMP tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content like this. Share this video with anyone you think might benefit from it. Every little bit helps us grow.